comparison today about the different SPLD device, okay? We have the ROM, whose AND array and OR array are basically fixed sa AND array, they are programmable sa OR array. Sa PLA, programmable lang duha, sa PAL o sa GAL, ang AND array ra ang programmable. So, looking at how the ROMs are designed, okay? Makita nato dire nga why fuse links ang gibutang dire sa tuang AND array, and basically ang programmable lang would be ang OR array. So based on the PLA notation, okay, ang katong AND array nga fix ang iyahang connection is basically just a decoder. Okay? Kung atoa jud na siyang tagsa-tagsaon. Okay? So for example, kung nakay 2 input lines, so you'll be using a 2x4 decoder, okay, for the selection. So that's why looking at this, okay, yara, ato ba ning discuss wala? Okay. Okay. So assuming that your ROM has 32 words with 8 bits each, okay, so 32 words, that means sa decoder nimo na ay 32 kabuok output lines. So kung na kay 32 kabuok output lines, pila may address line na? Okay? So pila may address line. So base yan 2 to the n, pila may n? 8. Patay. So 2 to the 8 is 32. Sure, oy. Unsa man si n para makakuha kag 32 sa 2 to the n. Gamit na yun. Okay, so there are 5 address lines, di ba? Para makuha nato ang 32 words. So basically, if this is a decoder niya na kay 32 kabuk output lines, dapat na kay 5 input lines para sa selection or the address. Okay? So, ana ra na siya. So, of course, ang number of output times 8, di ba? Same ra sa CLC nga naming convention. Input times output. Okay? So, essentially, in most ROM, okay, you get the whole naming convention by also multiplying the value of the input and output. Thus, a 32 by 8 ROM is also called 256-bit na ROM. Okay? Pero of course, ang nakapait manggod, kung you see 256, you'll never know pilay number of inputs or pilay number of output lines. Okay? So, mao na siya. But basically, depende sa system, if you're familiar with the number of outputs, kung 8, so divide na nimo 8 sa 256 to get the number of words. Okay? Kung 16, so 256 divided by 16. So, nasa kay 16 words. Okay? So, here is an example of a ROM design. Okay? So, base ana nga ROM design. Okay? Ang daw natog nakahinumdom pa mo sa inyo. FEC. So, ng FEC, wey. Utang na siya.
Mental of Unix.
So, what is the output?
EC ka na electronics or electrical?
Electrical.
EC is electrical.
Electronics muna ay
Electrical.
Okay. So sige, i-review ang inyong basic electronics. Okay? So of course, this is a diode, resistor, that is a decoder, which is active low. And this is just a tri-state buffer. Familiar man tayo with tri-state buffer, di ba? Kung ang output enable naka-zero, then ang output ani niya will just be what? Regular output, kung high or low. But if naka-disable, ang output ani dire is patay. The output is high impedance, meaning equivalent to open circuit. Okay? Take note. Kung ang output nato dire or ang OA, output enable bit, naka-high, ang output sa kaning mga buffer is high output impedance, meaning equivalent to open connection. But when the output enable bit has been enabled, like low ni siya, ang output dire maka-generate og high o low nga signal. Base of course sa input. Okay? So, can you now decode the output for this circuit? 1 ug 0 ra jud ang ibutang ninyo. Okay? So, again, decoder, that is active low ang output. Kung mayroon kag A0, A1, puro naka 0, then ang kanang output 00 may low and the rest goes high. Diba? That's the function of a decoder. Only one output is activated. So sige na, katong nagunit sa marker, ang hinas to ba na?
IP 00.
Ito sa kalinyo eh. Ang usa ka combination, usa ka addressal, i-complete sa ikaw i-challenge wala ng 1 bit raw eh. How people look, nakalimot.